Hello everybody, this is Steve from Old Boy Moto.
Come on, Matt. I love you. You look at the faces. There's no.
Yeah.
The cousins.
What's this one here?
Randy's son.
What's his son?
That's RR. You know
Ah,
that?
yeah,
That boy.
ball.
Yeah.
There you go.
That's the one we get the other passport. That
Yeah. That's good.
Yeah, that's the oldest son. Randy.
Yeah.
Randy's oldest son.
What's his name?
Julius. Hi? Yes, that's all.
Let's cuddle your cousin. Carleto. You don't know who's related to who here. This is unbelievable. It's such fun and games, you know. The farm, this is what it's all about. Hi, how are you, Din Din? Hello, how are you? Hello. Hello. Hello.
Granddaughter of
Hey, mate.
That's my son.
Yeah.
My son.
Have you got a name? Yeah.
You're so tall.
You see? You think it's tall.
He's taller than you. Look at him. Look at him. So This is from Tata. Basketball from Tata.
So you notice when the kids come out, they grab your hand because I'm related to them. As a sign of respect, they pull their hand towards them and put it on their heads because they respect their elders. It's just amazing. And it's really good to see. Really good, well-adjusted kids, very happy.
No, I'm pregnant.
Bit of concrete. This is all I need to live in. We've even got power and everything, good. My feet are going to stink, mate. I should go and get me me runners. Now you're going in with shoes, aren't you? You want me socks on? Can I go with me socks? Yeah, nice, really nice. Nice garden. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, Dad, you want one?
Yeah, I'll have one, please. Yeah, nice. Good house, yeah?
Good house, yeah. There's one room there, one room in here.
Yeah.
And
Thanks, mate.
Yeah, was it like this last time?
Putting it there. It's putting it there.
No.
Nanay's there, Tatay's there.
Yeah, that's good.
Not in order.
That's alright. Nice, huh? Yeah.
And this is where the two rooms are.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Which one's That's fine.
We got all prefab here? No, right? It's too easy.
This one, this is see the other bedroom.
Oh, yeah, good. Is it?
Yeah, you and yeah, this is with the you and Ka, right?
And where we're going to sleep?
And you sleep here.
Thank you.
There.
Oh, lovely. Unbelievable. So this is all you need. Look, see, it's open.
Yeah.
Who cares? You know, it's tropical. It's not as if we're going to get, you know, any dramas in it.
There's like
Ooh. Yeah. This kitchen's big, eh? Good. Look at this. Yeah.
They stay here with Nanay. Makdo, my nephew and me, they stay here with Nanay, and Dindin stay with Nanay.
Oh, yeah, good.
Sure.
Lovely, very nice.
It smells so good.
Just a little bit of food here. Look at that. Ooh, the belly. Sit down, sit down. Nice.
Wow. That's the best one. That's the tuna.
So here's my kids with their uncle, Daniel. They're playing their little Tanduay game. So Tanduay is Filipino rum. It's a very good rum too. And here they go.
Good, good. Rum, rum, to the moon. Yeah.
I didn't teach them that. Have the laundry, the Filipino laundry. Obviously you don't do laundry when it's raining, but it's outside. It's pretty easy to do. Get washing machines at least. Beautiful. It's great living simply without having all the bullshit. Where'd you get that one from?
Manong Badong, huh?
Ah, Manong Badong. Yeah. Good, eh? Yeah, also 200.
Yeah.
What do you reckon? Good?
Yeah, really good.
So that's his transport, eh?
Yeah, must be.
No red J? No.
Why would you?
That's right.
Is that good there?
Yeah,
Is that fine?
of course it is. Turn the fuel off or was it on?
I don't know. I'll turn it off there.
Yeah, otherwise it'll flatten the battery. That's a good one, isn't it?
Have the fuel is left on. Should I turn it off?
No, I'll leave it on if you left it. Looks like he looks after this one.
Looks great.
Yeah, it's a good one. Enjoy that. Yeah, so raining in the Philippines, who would have thought? So just in the backyard here, all these trees are productive fruit trees. They tell me that that one's an avocado, that's a mango, and all through, dotted through the farm, it's all productive. There's about 4 hectares, and they actually make a living off it. Heading over to the staging area. They're going to slaughter a pig today. Oh, it looks like it's already done. I'm too late. So it's going to be ready for tomorrow. Too late. Oh well, doesn't matter. Good luck. You don't like?
The evidence is there.
Ah, there. There you are.
It's crime.
There it is on the table though. It's all good. It's all good getting the hair off. Ah, very nice. These boys don't mess around. So this is getting done on the spit tomorrow.
Oh, Aning is so faster.
Filipino
One more
style.
shot for you. I don't find out. I don't like. You mean? Yeah,
stuff,
one shot only. One. You did what already? No practice. No practice. Huh?
Tell you what, I'm not trying to put my hand. I want to see where I can
No, you don't.
I know.
Just work through it.
Oh, right.
Just work through it. I've seen it a few times.
No, that's the first one.
I thought I used to do me out rabbits and everything, so it's no
Well,
different.
I've done it for years, so
Yeah,
it's bad. It's a prank
Yeah.
Being shivs off.
Oh yeah, you're getting rid of it all. Just a proper one. Huh?
Yeah, but
That's smooth, huh? Oh, that's okay, yeah.
yeah. Hello.
Hey,
Hey.
we're drinking plenty of rum. Put the rum up. There it is. Bang it in there. He's a character, isn't he?
You're ready. All right, help me out.
Very good. Just sucking it down.
Actually, like this.
Did you enjoy that?
Yeah, I went like this. And then I looked. But I thought they were doing this.
No.
They go
Straight in.
Yeah. You said that you said Carlito will afraid to look when Uncle Randy stop the one.
No.
Not Carlito. Frankie like that.
Yeah.
But Carlito also.
Carlito.
Yeah.
Because I thought it was like this. I thought it was like this. No, but it's in. Yeah.
I thought it was him.
That's for me.
Big job.
Yeah, big job, eh?
Not fat, fat.
Yeah, I swear the last one we had was a bit bigger, remember?
Bigger, yeah.
Yeah, these ones are nice because the other one was like brown or something.
Welcome to the jungle.